Alright, what's going on everyone? You're watching Vision Paradox TV, the place to be to learn social media marketing strategies that we implement on our clients so that way you guys can grow your personal brand, small business, or tech startup. Let's get right onto it. Alright, so everyone wants content to stand out, but the problem is most people when they post content aren't giving genuine value to the end consumer or their audience. You know, obviously if you're doing social media marketing, obviously you want people to give you your money, but this isn't the era of TV and radio where you're beating people over the head with the same advertisement again and again and again. With social media, you've got to truly build a connection and trust with people. You know, the end consumer is getting smarter, and there's one way that we do it at Vision Paradox to make sure that your content is on point. We call it the 3 E's. It was actually inspired by Amy Porterfield, who was actually my first Facebook advertising teacher, so shout out to her, giving her props where props is due. So, is your content educational, empowering, or entertaining? If it falls in 1, 2, or even 3 of them, post it. If it doesn't, don't. It does have to provide value. Einstein said, try not to be a person of success, be a person of value. So here are a couple examples of people who I think are killing it in these certain areas. Obviously, like I said, you can be 1, 2, or all 3 of them, but I think there's always going to be that one dominating aspect that you're going to have. So the first example that I think who's killing it in the educational realm, education obviously being you're teaching something to the end consumer or end user, or you're informing them of something. Someone who I think is killing it on that is someone who I look up to is Pat Flynn of the Smart Passive Income podcast. But what he teaches people is how to generate income passively through online businesses. But that's just where he started. Now he's moved on to how to be more productive, how to be more effective, a whole bunch of other stuff to help you create results. So before I get into the next E, the next letter, into the empowerment part, if you guys are liking this video so far, make sure you hit like, subscribe, hit the bell button so you guys are getting notifications of when the content comes out. Alright, so let's keep going. Now an example of empowering. Empowering meaning inspirational, you know, where you feel really good, inspired, motivated, so you go to go do something or you just feel really good after. A perfect example of this is Lewis Howes. A lot of his content surrounds the idea of you creating the most amazing life possible for yourself. Another great example is Tony Robbins and how he talks about, you know, unleashing your full potential. So it's creating that feel-good emotion for your content, making people feel inspired. So this last example, I use this example just to really draw a point. I know not everyone is a huge fan of her, but Kim Kardashian. She's not exactly talented, but she does provide people entertainment. She entertains people. Look at her Instagram. She provides that entertainment value that certain people resonate with. So there you have it, the 3 E's to help you create powerful and intentional content for your social media. Make sure you guys implement it when you start posting content on whatever platform you guys are going to be on, and that's it. Make sure you guys implement it when you start posting content on whatever platform you guys are going to be on, and that's it. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this with friends. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.